Bore da, good morning. It's Jo from Talk and Play. Today I'm going to read you a story called Follow That Bear If You Dare. Are you ready? Hare loved bears. He loved big bears, small bears, hairy bears and scary bears. If only I could find a bear, said Hare. If only I could catch one. The hairier, the scarier, the better. So Hare bought a book, the best book of bear hunting. He opened it to take a look. Step 1. Bear hunting. A warning, please read carefully. When going on a bear hunt, to find a bear, you will need to take the utmost care. It's best to take along a friend. Choose one that looks much fatter than you. Podgy Rabbit, called Hare. I need you for a very important bear hunt. A bear hunt? Said Podgy Rabbit. How do you hunt for bears? It's all in my book, explained Hare. So he turned the page to take a look. Step 2. Things you will need. To catch your bear, take a fishing net, some long string as long as you can get, a torch to shine inside his deep lair, and watchful eyes. Bears lurk everywhere. Oh, dear me. Are you sure you want to find a bear, Hare? Said Podgy Rabbit. Of course, Hare said. The hairier, the scarier, the better. And look what I found. A fishing net, string as long as I could get, and a torch to shine in his lair. They turned another page in the book. You ready? Step 3. Trailing your bear. Now, bears are not always easily found, so look out for paw prints down on the ground. Crouch down low, but please beware. The bigger the paw print, the bigger the bear. I don't think I like the sound of bear hunting, said Podgy. I hope we don't find any bear footprints. Over here, cried Hare. He found a big footprint. Oh dear, said Podgy Rabbit. It must belong to a very hairy, scary bear. What now? They turned another page in the book to take a look. Step 4. What to look out for. Bears like to scratch on a favourite tree. It sharpens their claws quite nastily. Their nails stay strong and sharp as their teeth in their jaws. The deeper the scratch marks, the sharper the claws. Oh dear. Oh, I really don't like the idea of bear hunting, cried Podgy Rabbit. Let's go back. Not now, cried Hare excitedly. We're on the trail and look what I found. Podgy Rabbit looked. Oh no, he cried. Now what do we do? I'll tell you, said Hare. It's all in my book. Can you see what they found? Big scratch marks. Oh dear. So they turned another page in the book to take a look. Step 5. Getting closer and closer. When a bear is close, you may hear grumbling. That is the sound of his tummy rumbling. Hide yourself quickly and take great care. The louder the rumble, the hungrier the bear. Oh dear. Shh, did you hear that? Whispered Hare excitedly. That sounds like a very hungry bear to me. Hear it, trembled Podgy Rabbit. It was almost deafening. Quick, Hare, please, take another look in your book. Shall we? Yes. Step 6. Meeting your bear. Meeting your bear can be quite shocking. Don't let him see your knees knocking. Suck in your tummy and try to look thinner and hope that he's already had his dinner. Yikes! Grub, grub, gobbled Podgy Rabbit. Look over there, Hare. Oh, wow! Where? Said Hare. Oh, yes, it's a bear. Shall we see? There it is. Help, said Podgy. We'll never catch him with a fishing net and a piece of string. Just watch me, cried Hare. Roar! I'm hungry, growled the bear. Then, suddenly, dinner's ready, cried Mummy Bear. It's a bear-sized beans on a bear-sized toast. Yummy, said Little Bear. I must go. Bye-bye. Oi, come back, called Hare. Poor Podgy Rabbit was too weak to speak. Oh no, cried Hare. I can't lose my bear. That's not fair. Quickly, he took another look in his book. Step 7. What bears like to eat? A hungry bear with an appetite will eat up any food in sight. But all bears hate beans on toast, but love ripe hares and rabbits the most. Oh my gosh. Podgy Rabbit quickly grabbed his paw. Run for it, Hare. It's lucky those bears have never read your book. If they did, I bet they'd try to make a hare and rabbit pie. And off they ran together. They didn't go back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. I know I did. And I'll see you again soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye-bye.